Hello, I'm Madison Finney, and today I have a question for you. Do you like eating healthier? Or just eating healthy in general? If that's a yes, then you're in luck, as today I'll be talking about eating healthy, the importance of eating healthy, the long-term benefits of eating healthy, and why you shouldn't eat unhealthy. In Persuading You to Eat Healthier, I'll be talking about the problem, the cause, and the solution. The problem being unhealthy eating, the cause being eating healthier, and the solution being the long-term benefits of eating healthy. Also, I'll be talking based off of my own experience and research that I've done on the topic. So let's get right into it. And firstly, we'll be talking about the problem, which is unhealthy eating. Today, the problem is that many people are eating unhealthy and not knowing the serious health effects it has on your body. Eating unhealthier is definitely way easier than eating healthier. Trust me, I know. And that's why so many people do it. But in the long run, it really does do more harm than help to your body. According to the online web article, the risks of poor nutrition. In the short term, poor nutrition can contribute to stress, tiredness, and our capacity to work and overtime. In the long run, it can contribute to the risk of developing serious illnesses and other serious health effects such as high blood pressure. According to the Sioux Falls Specialty Hospital in the online web article, Junk Food Reality Check: How It Affects Your Body and Brain, published July 17th, 2019. According to the National Center for Health Statistics, nearly 40% of Americans eat fast food or junk food on the daily. 40%. Now that I've talked about the problem, which is unhealthy eating, I will now talk about the cause, which is healthy eating, and then finally, the solution, which is the benefits, long-term benefits of eating healthy. So secondly, I'm going to be talking about the cause, which is healthier eating. Eating healthy not only helps your body, but it helps your mind and contributes to a healthier and happier life. I found from my own experience that eating healthier makes you feel more motivated and more focused, either when it comes to school and schoolwork, or just talking in regular real-life situations. According to an online web article, Why Healthy Eating Matters. Healthy eating isn't about cutting out your foods. It's about eating a wide variety of foods in the right amount to give your body what it needs. There are no single foods you must eat or menus you must need to follow to eat healthy. You just need to make sure you get the right balance of different foods. Healthy eating for children and young people should always include a wide variety and range of interesting and tasty foods that can make up a healthy variety and balanced diet rather than denying them certain foods and drinks. Now that I've talked about the problem, which is unhealthy eating, and the cause, secondly, which is healthier eating, I'll now finally be talking about the solution, which is the long-term benefits of eating healthy. So finally, the solution, which is the long-term benefits of eating healthy. When eating healthier, it'll improve your life in the long run. Eating healthier makes it less likely for you to have heart issues, such as cancer, and it improves your breathing issues. You have less likely of having respiratory issues, and it just helps you maintain a healthy lifestyle. According to Natalie Butler in the online web article, What are the benefits of eating healthy? Published June 26, 2018. Researchers have found that a diet rich in fruits reduce the risk of cancer of the upper gastrointestinal tract. They also found that a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, and fiber lowered the risk of colorectal cancer, and that a diet rich in fiber reduced the risk of liver cancer. In conclusion, today I discussed the problem, which is unhealthy eating, the cause, which is healthy eating, and then finally the solution, which is the long-term benefits of eating. I hope this presentation really persuaded you to go out and try eating healthier, and it opened your eyes to why it's so bad for eating healthy, because it can really do all these effects to your body that we really didn't have any idea that it was doing that. According to Sadi Lama in the online web article, what are the effects of an unhealthy diet? Published November 11th, 2018. The effects of unhealthy eating can sometimes result in obvious physical changes, such as acne, bloating, and weight gain. Certain unhealthy diets, like those linked to too much fast food, can result in obesity and related diseases. Some of them we talked about earlier, such as cancer, heart effects, breathing, respiratory issues, etc. Now, I know that eating healthier isn't easy, and it's way easier to just go out and get a cheeseburger or something unhealthy, but it really does affect your body, and in the long run, it could have serious health effects. And eating healthy is rewarding in the long run. It has so many more effects than eating unhealthy. Not only does a healthy lifestyle keep your body happy, but it keeps your mind happy also. I know from my personal experience, when I started finally eating healthier, I realized that I felt more motivated, more focused when listening to conversations with my parents, and I just felt happier overall. I used to be tired and sluggish and stressed out, but I decided to make that change in my life because I realized all these effects it had on me, and I didn't realize how much happier I would be after I started eating healthier. So thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my presentation. I hope it opened your eyes and inspired you to go out, do something great, eat healthier for your body and for your mind. So thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.